trying to do, Samantha? Looks like you're kind of stuck.
I just wanted to see if I could fit, okay? You gonna help me out?
Yeah, let's see if we can do this.
No, I'm gonna break it. Okay, maybe if we rock and like...
Maybe if you roll it down. Okay, I hold the pot and you go.
Ow! This is such a bad idea! Ow! Okay.
Honestly, guys, who gets into a pot? Okay, really?